Two cars parked on a public street, one without a tag. That's the entire origin of this case. No crash, no crime reported, no injury. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how a routine parking enforcement stop ended in an arrest, and why, months later, prosecutors looked at this exact footage and declined to move forward at all. Keep an eye on one detail: a pair of eyeglasses. They don't matter yet, they will.
Go ahead.
The officer.
I'll need two 1070s here for signal 91. 65 or 28 for the second one.
Howdy.
How do? I don't know if there's someone in the house or not, but they won't come to the door. So this might get them out. They're both illegally parked and a hazard, so I got the BMW done right now, so you can take that one first. Miss?
Hi.
You have an association with this car?
Yeah, it's my boyfriend's car.
Can you prove ownership?
Yeah, I have a title. The problem was it wasn't running. That's why it's been parked right there. But
Okay,
I
well,
tried to push it into the driveway.
We've been here for a half an hour trying to reach someone. So now they have it, and now he'll
But
have
I'm
to
right
make
here.
a ring.
Is there any way you could just...
You don't own it? He doesn't own it?
Yes, we both own it.
Okay.
It is our car.
Is the title in your name?
It is in his name.
Then that does us no good.
He lives here. Excuse me.
Okay.
Please, can you please make an exception?
I've been here for a half an hour. I banged on your door. Got nothing.
I didn't hear it.
Okay. So he can
you
go
please
show
not-
proof and he can pick it up. You know anyone that owns this car? That's next. You know them?
Yep. That
Okay.
is my boyfriend's
No,
friend.
that
I wasn't
that one's
aware
going
that-
next.
I wasn't aware that you were...
So this one's already done. So.
Could you please make an exception and help me push it into the driveway? So that we're
No,
not
because you
dealing
don't
with
even
that?
own it, miss.
Yes, we do.
No, you said some other person who's not here owns it. And they didn't register it. So they can
We
go
just got it like
to the
other
tow
day.
yard, show proof, and pick it up.
Hello? Jester, they're towing the B7 and they're about to tow Mitch's car, so you guys should get back here. The B7 is still right here, but the police officer is not letting me take possession of our car.
Why?
I don't know. Why aren't you letting me put this car into my driveway?
Because you don't own it, miss.
He owns it and he lives here.
Okay, well, if he were here,
We
maybe.
both own it. We both
If
paid
someone
for
else
it.
were here, maybe I'd talk to them.
Can you hear that?
Okay, so I have to come talk to him for the ego trip?
I guess so. They're taking the B7 right now. Like it's loaded up on the thing. He won't let me push it into our driveway.
He is coming with the other record for this one.
Get this going. Get it out of here.
He's saying, go ahead.
Go.
Want me to go?
Go.
10-4.
Can you please have your business card?
Sure, but I need you to move out of the way.
No, not moving.
If you don't move, I'll arrest you, miss.
He's saying he's gonna arrest me if I don't move. They're going to be here in 5 minutes.
Move or you'll be arrested,
The tow
miss.
company can wait 5 minutes.
You're not the owner. I'm gonna count to 3,
They're
miss.
going to be here in 5 minutes.
You're gonna be arrested if you don't move.
They said, let me talk to my boyfriend real quick.
Move away, or you'll be arrested.
You can't arrest me when they're going to be here in 5
Wanna watch
minutes.
me? Are you an adult?
Can
You wanna watch?
Can you please stop?
Wanna watch?
Listen.
No,
Can you
no,
please-
I don't listen to you, miss.
Please stop your power
Last chance.
trip.
Last
Please
chance.
stop your
You
power
gonna move out of the way?
Please.
It's not your car. You're in the way.
Can you please listen to me?
No, you need to listen. Are you gonna move or
Okay.
not?
I will move.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
Stay there. Just stay there.
No, they're gonna. He's saying he's gonna arrest me.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
We're gonna sue the shit out of him. It's fine.
Okay. Are you gonna move or not? Are you refusing to move, miss? You're gonna be arrested.
Can you please?
Turn around and place your hands
Can
behind
you
your back if
please-
you're not gonna move.
Can you please?
Turn
have
around
some
and place your
reason?
hands behind your back if
Can-
you're not gonna move.
Listen, dude. Can you please?
Not dude.
Can you please just?
Turn around and place your hands behind your back or move.
The owner of this car
Okay, no.
is going to be
Okay.
here in like
Third
2
time.
minutes.
Third time. Turn around and place your hands behind your
Trust me.
back or you're gonna be arrested. Yes or no?
You can't arrest me.
Yes, I can. Turn around.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you don't have probable
Go
cause.
on, start.
You do not have probable cause. We're going
I'm trying not to. I'm trying not to, but I can. Obstruction is the probable cause.
Wait 5 minutes.
That single exchange is the entire legal spine of this
They're going
arrest.
to be here in 5
Obstruction
minutes.
charges don't require the underlying
They said,
dispute to
"Let
be
me
resolved
talk
in the
to my
officer's
husband real
favor.
quick."
Move away.
They
or you'll be
require
arrested.
only that a
You can't
lawful
arrest
order
me
was given
when they're
and
going to be
knowingly
here in 5
disregarded.
Watch me.
minutes.
All right. Now we go. Now you're under arrest. We're going through a lane. Traffic 12. No, probably have a white female 1015. Have a seat. Watch your head.
10-4.
Why the f are my cars being towed? I'm not climbing the f down. Put my cars back down. I'm not doing this. We've had zero warnings, zero anything. You're arresting my girlfriend for parked car. What the f is going on?
I just got here.
Okay, so explain.
Less forward. It started out you pulling up like this and being hot.
I was
over a
doing the
car.
speed limit. I'm not doing anything illegal. Not doing anything hotter than you guys are doing right now.
I just got here.
So
So, what's going on your side?
I show up to all my cars being towed away
Okay.
and someone being arrested.
Are they in the roadway?
No, they were parked here.
Sir, can you help me understand what's going on here?
Well, now that if this is your vehicle,
Yes.
and you can prove ownership, now you'll have to pay the release fee.
No, why? I didn't do anything. Why is it getting towed?
It's illegally parked at a roadway hazard.
I just got here too, sir.
Okay, so
But-
what the f is going on?
Sir, I
If you
just got here. I was talking
Who
with
do I
an
need to
officer.
talk to then?
Well, don't walk up on him like that.
Explain
You're not
the
gonna
law.
take
This is where the
possession of that?
story
Explain the law to me.
becomes
What
more
is
If you take
layered.
possession of that property,
The
then we'll
actual
have to put it in
titled
ours.
owner arrives,
What's illegal
and the
about
wrong
it?
officer ends up
No one
absorbing
can
the
answer any
frustration.
questions. You're just
He
taking my
wasn't
shit.
even
Sir,
present
I
for
just
the
got
original
here to
stop.
search someone.
No, you won't. Yes, I will. What the f is going on?
Wait.
You want to tow all my shit? Explain what's going on.
I see
Okay,
this
well, now
all
you
the
can go
time.
to the tow lot and make arrangements to pick up
You
your
guys are
car.
messing with the wrong f***ing people. You are going to be sued. I probably make more than you make in a 30
I
year
have I have no idea what this is.
You want to take possession of your friend's property? It's up there on the car.
No, I want to take possession of my shit.
You don't
that was
want to take
parked in my
possession of
front
it?
yard. What's illegal about being parked in the fire? Explain
You're not
that
going
law
to take possession of that?
Explain the law to me.
You're
What
not
is
going to take
illegal?
possession of that property, then we'll have to put it in ours.
I just
What's
got here,
illegal
sir.
about it being parked right there?
No one can answer any questions. You're just taking my shit. with
Sir,
no
I just got
explanation.
here to search someone. So I don't know if I don't know what's going on.
So probably bringing her out now with him.
No, I'm not gonna regret it right now.
Without it just aggravating.
Yeah.
So I want to try to find out what she wants to do with the property.
Am I being ignored?
And
I'm getting straight ignored.
you can either get her to agree to take it.
No one's answering any
You're gonna take
questions.
what car?
Okay, what do you guys want to do here? You done
I
bullying
am
us?
talking with my partner, figuring what's
Okay,
going
you're
on
parked in
now.
my front yard, so what do you want to do?
Not in your front yard. We're in the street.
You just took my car for no reason.
This is not helping you guys.
I don't, just shut the f up, please. Just, what are we doing here?
Then
You
stop
guys,
asking questions.
you guys done then? Can you get the f out of here?
No.
We're on the public road right now.
Okay, just shut
So
the
was my car.
Oh, let's tow this shit. Is it, oh, it's registered.
No one has
What do
any
you need to do?
logical
My
answer.
girlfriend now.
I'm going to go around the other side and ask her what she
Why
wants
you
to do.
just told my shit? I'm being ignored. Venice Police
Hey,
Department.
don't worry. We're going to sue the f out of that.
So what property here is yours? The house is yours? Is the vehicles yours too?
Sir, I'm trying to be reasonable with you.
Okay.
I don't.
I've already answered your question. If you're the owner of that car, you can go pick it up at Talon Towing, which is off Pan American. I'll give you the phone number for it if you want.
Give me the phone number.
You can go with proof of ownership and pick your vehicle up.
How am I supposed to go there without my vehicle?
Your phone and eyeglasses. Do you want to come with you or do you want to go with... Is this Justin? Chester? I guess she wants you to have her phone and whatever's on the top there.
Couldn't even wait 2 minutes for me to come back. I get back and then and then I get ignored. You guys are. Sure, the community's extra safe now, right?
Can you give the title to Chester as well?
Yeah, you want to step out real quick?
Title's in the waistband of my leggings. Oh, I guess it's not. I thought it was.
This is for the...
I was holding the title, so is it on the street or something?
I gotta check you real quick. It might be under the car. Are you wearing a bra?
Yeah.
Do you have anything that's gonna hit in the bra?
No.
Money, change, needles, nothing like that?
No.
Just gonna stick or poke me?
No.
Okay, I have to check. I'm sorry. Put your feet apart.
Not my first rodeo.
I'd be jealous too if I made my yearly salary as your life income.
And you're just gonna ignore me, huh?
You made a statement. Do you have a question?
I have a million questions. You guys won't answer them. You answer them with the vaguest, dumbest, like, I don't know what's going on, and that's because you guys won't explain it to me. I'm trying to be reasonable.
The car was towed. We were called here
Oh,
for a
they're
reason.
here.
What's
There
the
we
reason?
go. Oh,
I wasn't dispatched. I came as a backup officer.
Back up for what? To
backup
tow extra
officer
cars?
Don't want a car parked on the street.
Because my partner made an arrest, I'm a backup officer. That's why I'm here.
You just got hit, so you don't know.
Please step back.
I'm
Thank you.
respectful.
Oh,
Thank you.
Dude, you don't have to do shit. You don't have to step back for shit.
Well, they shoot, so.
I shoot too.
I really wasn't doing, all I was doing was asking this officer to wait 2 more minutes for him to show up, and then he's just slamming against the car. And said, you're under arrest. Okay. Can you see that shot? I mean, obviously I'm taking I can take that to court. I know.
I'm just
I'm
getting
sure
here.
you can't do anything about
I don't
it,
know
but
what
I'm
went on. I'm just getting here. I was asked to come here for a search.
I mean, you can look at his body cam footage and
Yeah.
it shows that.
We all have.
Serve and protect by stealing my car.
So what's up? You running to come post bail for her, or what? Is she
She's
being thrown
being,
into jail for?
I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the charges are. I just came here for a female search.
Okay.
She's been taken to the Sarasota County Jail.
Do you know how far the car is?
For Talon, it's on Pan Am. Are you familiar with Northport?
I'm like pretty new to this area.
Talon Towing, Talon.
10 miles from here?
Yeah, that's not far.
Just shut the f up. We're not talking to you.
Ian,
Talon Towing.
Talon Towing.
Not trying to have an attitude as you take all my
It's okay.
shit. Yeah, it's great.
You want to Google it real quick when I'm here? I can tell you if it's the right one or not.
And they're closed.
All of you. Ian,
Small human, almost absurd against the
Not trying to
backdrop
have
of an
attitude as you
arrest,
take all my shit.
but exactly the kind of
you want to
detail
Google it
that
real
makes
quick
this
when I'm here?
footage
I can tell you
feel
if it's
real rather than
And
staged.
they're closed.
I found my eyeglasses. So.
I may have when she was twisting around.
I don't see them down here. They would have been right on top of the grass, and if they got buried. Or...
Off the property. Off the property. Yes, where do you think he's standing?
Nope. I'm about there. I'm good. Are those her glasses or mine?
They were on the car. They're mine now.
Well, they look a lot like mine.
They were on the car.
So now we're good.
I'm not doing it.
Why are you running?
Hey,
You're
get
not
off
doing
my
anything
property.
wrong.
Off my property.
Can we just
I
check
think
to
he
make
has
sure-
my eyeglasses, and you just
Take
threw them
those
in there.
glasses. You gave them to me.
They were sitting.
Off my property.
They
Off
were
my
sitting
property.
on the
Yes,
car.
on my car, and you told me to get them.
Are those
on my car.
my officer's glasses or not? Do you want to be charged with theft, Chester?
Okay, fine. You want your glasses?
Yeah, after you threw them, if they're damaged, you're going to get charged with criminal
You
mischief.
already wrapped your up. Calm down. Where did they even go?
You threw them in here somewhere.
You want a flashlight?
No, no. They're brand new. Good to go.
Officer Nick,
Are those yours or hers?
yours?
Those are mine.
Thank you. Are they damaged at all?
No, it doesn't appear that way.
Let's talk about what actually happened with the charges. She was charged with 1 misdemeanor count of resisting. And then, months later, the state chose not to prosecute. That doesn't mean she was found innocent, and it doesn't mean the officer was wrong. Prosecutorial discretion happens for reasons that have nothing to do with guilt or innocence. Here's the takeaway. For the public, comply first, resolve ownership afterward. For officers, an arrest can be procedurally sound and still not result in prosecution. Now it's your turn. If you showed up to find your own car being towed, and someone else arrested trying to stop it, would you have handled it differently? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more Bodycam cases broken down like this, subscribe.